GD1325 4-process engraving machine is suitable for engraving, cutting, hollowing and other processing of all kinds of artificial boards, such as density board and ecological board. Advanced automatic tool changer, save tool change time. Multiple spindle motor work separately, extremely efficient, adopting high-speed drive and high-precision rack. Fast processing speed and high precision, mainly used in the production of various panel furniture cabinet doors, wardrobe doors and other products. GD1325 ATC Processing Center is a professional machine for cutting and notching of panel furniture production, applicable for solid wood, MDF, composite board, acrylic, etc. materials. Machine equipped with different cutting tools to achieve drilling, grooving, carving, hollowing and milling process, high speed, high accuracy. Get rid of traditional cutting mode, which depend on labor cutting and drilling. Save cost, realize intelligent produce indeed. Each machine must be approved strictly quality inspection. Quality standard synchronizes with Europe and America. Guandiao edge banding machine is mainly used for the edge banding of various wooden panels such as plywood, fiberboard and particle board with preheating, pressing, gluing and cutting, rough trimming, fine trimming, scraping, buffing functions. Machine adopt high power and high frequency motor to improve effects. High quality electric components and transmitting components make machines function more steady. Full closed safety shield, more human operation. Advantages are flexible, high performance, easy debugging, convenient in maintenance and easy to operate. Energy saving, enduring, stable performance.